In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Notion page to the web. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to turn any Notion page into a live web page that you can easily share with others. First, open the Notion page that you want to publish. Make sure this is the final or near final version of your content, because once it's on the web, anyone with the link will be able to view it, depending on your share settings. Take a quick moment to scan the page for any private information, draft notes, or placeholders you don't want other people to see, and clean those up before you move on. Now, look toward the top right corner of your Notion window. You'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on that. This Share menu is where you control who can access your page and how they access it, whether it's just your workspace, specific people, or the wider web. Inside the Share menu, you'll see several options. What we're interested in is the setting that allows you to publish the page publicly. Look for the option that mentions publishing or making the page available to the web. Click on the Publish option to start that process. When you click Publish, Notion will enable public access to your page. At this point, you may see a toggle or confirmation that indicates the page is now being shared to the web. Make sure this is turned on. Once it's enabled, Notion will generate a public link for your page. This is the URL that anyone can visit in their browser, even if they don't have a Notion account. Before you close the menu, take a moment to review any extra publishing settings that might be available. Depending on your version of Notion, you might be able to control things like whether people can duplicate the page into their own workspace, or whether the page is indexed by search engines. Adjust these according to your preference and your privacy needs. After everything looks good, copy the public link that Notion provides. You can now share this link with your team, clients, friends, or online audience. They'll see a clean, readable web version of your Notion page without needing access to your full workspace. That's all there is to it. You opened your page, clicked Share, selected Publish, and confirmed the Publish settings. Your Notion page is now live on the web and ready to share with the world.